Team World, today I'm going to show you how to search for GPS coordinates within the Apertus client. I'm also going to show you how to associate GPS coordinates with your Bitcoin or other altcoin etchings. But before we do that, I'd like to jump over to Google Maps and just take a look at a GPS coordinate that I've already copied into memory. Just so you can see the format of a GPS coordinate. Basically, a GPS coordinate is 2 6 decimal place numbers with either a positive or negative symbol in front of them. The positive and negative symbols signify the north, south, west, east, longitude, latitude directions. Something like that. I'm not actually a GPS expert in any way. But basically, this is the same format that you would use in Apertus. No space in the middle. We'll hit enter in Google and see where it takes us. All right, so these coordinates, it appears, are someplace right in the middle of Fargo, North Dakota, Robert Street North in particular. Google has this awesome feature where you can zoom in and see the street view. So let's jump on there and see what this little area of Fargo looks like. All right, we've got Robert Street North here. Let's just kind of drag it around. Some brick buildings. Beautiful. All right, well, let's do the same thing in Apertus. I'm going to take those same GPS coordinates, but in Apertus, the GPS needs to be entered as a keyword search. And to do keyword searches, we have to put a hash sign in front of the coordinates and then paste the very same coordinates that we just pasted into Google Maps into Apertus, and we will hit enter. And what you just saw there is a little warning message that's telling me, oh, if you want to do a keyword search or searching by address, you need to select a blockchain. So we'll select the Bitcoin testnet where this example exists. And we'll try it again. All right, so it looks like we found something, and we actually found quite a bit. So let's expand out the follow box so you can kind of see the search results showed one GPS coordinate. And if we look at it, look at the map here, Robert Street North. Yeah, it looks very similar to what we're seeing also here in Google Maps. So that's an example of using a keyword search to basically find data that had previously been associated with a GPS coordinate. Now this particular map, as you can see, there's lots of keywords here. You could have found this by typing in Fargo, North Dakota, Roberts Street. You could have found this by typing in my own name because I'm associating some things, some of the pictures and things I'm taking with the EMBII keyword. In order to put GPS on your content, you basically have to etch the keyword along with the content that you're etching. So we will show you how that works. Select an account that has some money in it. Now what you see on the bottom left is the etching window. Let me expand it here. And we'll paste in these GPS coordinates. So again, this is a keyword, so in your etching you'll have to put a hashtag. You could put whatever you'd like. You could also attach another image if you'd like by using the attach button. The thing that you do have to remember, however, and this is very important, is that Apertus currently does not like periods in a keyword. So you do need to replace the periods of your GPS coordinate with a backslash. And this will basically tell the Apertus client to basically put a default character in there, a default character separator into that space. And to finish this off, we would just hit the etch button, and that would permanently associate this message with those GPS coordinates. And then later, any other individual could put in the same GPS coordinates and find the same data. So that's a quick example of how Apertus could be used to just to begin the building of a global decentralized map. And it just happens to be that the very first image in that map is of Fargo, North Dakota. Congratulations, Fargo. You are the center of the decentralized global map. Have a great night.